Matt, it's been one of those days where I go back and forth with the winter coat or the weather breaker. You're the what is it?
The windbreaker.
Windbreaker, yes. I'm looking at your blue eyes and thinking weather breaker for some reason.
Well, we've got a
windbreaker.
We've got the cool breezes that have been blowing through today, and early on tomorrow, especially, you're really going to feel that chill in the air because of that. Take a look at what we've got. Cloud cover is the other thing that's been coming in from the northwest, and a couple of light showers have developed. There will be very quick passing clouds or showers, I should say, where they hit, but most areas will likely not see the rain, as this will still be a relatively dry weather pattern that we're in. This cloud cover, as mentioned, would start clearing out later on tonight. There's actually a fairly large area that's clear, but still some more clouds will pass through periodically tonight. So we're tracking clouds and that cooler air moving in. For tonight, we've got an area of passing clouds off and on, especially the first half of the night. Later should see trend more toward the clearing of the sky, and then breezy and cool as we head into Friday. And then warming up later this weekend, but every day of the next several look to be at least breezy, if not a little windy. Right now from our Junction City weather cam, mostly cloudy to the east, starting to see some sunshine. You can see the shadows down there from the cars on the roads there on the eastern side of Junction City. Manhattan, mostly cloudy still, and currently in downtown Topeka, mostly cloudy. 59 degrees, west-northwest wind at 9. Made it up to 60 after morning low of 50, so temperatures have been much steadier today, but tonight we will cool off a little bit more as the skies, at least for part of the night, clear out a little bit. It is down into the low 50s again to the northwest. I mentioned we're also tracking that cooler air. You can see that it's making its way in, so it's entering into the northwestern counties. It will continue to push through, and as we head through the night, that northwest wind, as we look at KSNT Future Track, tonight the winds do not let up. As a matter of fact, tomorrow morning wind chills will be dipping into the upper 20s with that brisk northwest wind. That'll carry on through most of the day tomorrow, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then it does let up tomorrow night briefly, but the only thing that it really does is allow for light wind and temperatures in the low 30s to perhaps set the stage for some areas of frost Saturday morning before northwest winds kick back in through the day on Saturday. It actually get windier on Sunday, but by then we're warming things up. Tonight, a cool night with northwest breezes 10 to 15, 37 degrees. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast. Breezy, 56 tomorrow. Could probably put breezy again on Saturday. It's going to be borderline with a high temperature of 64. But windy on Sunday. This time it'll be southerly winds, and those strong south breezes kick in. We really warm up mid to upper 70s area wide by Sunday afternoon. The winds will be closing in on 30 miles per hour, and that'll happen again on Tuesday as we'll see the winds pick up again. Maybe a couple of showers or storms on Wednesday, but it looks to be better chances to our north. We'll kind of be on the southern end of a system. Could see a little bit of shower activity, but not a real high chance for rain over the next several days. There's a look at the start of the day this morning along the Kansas River at Topeka from Doug Mock, and some of the afternoon clouds during some of that clearing at Holton from Mark McAlpine. Yesterday's scattered thunderstorms, just a reminder that we're gearing up for storm season, and you need to be ready as well. Weather radios, always a good extra layer of preparedness to have in place. You can get them at Hy-Vee, Orchland Farm and Home, and Walgreens for $29.95.
Maybe they should call those things weather breakers.
Maybe they should.
It's my new word, apparently.
I know, it's up to see exactly how far we can interpret that.
Goodness gracious. Well, there's